Bone Health 101. Prevent osteoporosis with these easy steps. Welcome back to Health and Fitness University. Today we're talking about the silent protector of your body, your bones. Your bones give you structure, protect your organs, and store key minerals like calcium. But over time, especially after age 30, they start to lose density. In this video, I'll show you how to prevent osteoporosis, boost bone strength, and adopt simple daily habits that support lifelong skeletal health. If you're ready to stand strong for years to come, hit that like button and let's get started. Why bone health matters. Osteoporosis affects more than 200 million people worldwide, especially women after menopause and adults over 50. Weakened bones lead to fractures, back pain, height loss, and reduced mobility. But here's the good news. Bone loss can be slowed or even reversed with the right nutrition, movement, and lifestyle choices. Nutrients that build strong bones. Let's talk food. Your bones are living tissue and they need fuel. 1. Calcium, your #1 bone builder, found in dairy, almonds, tofu, leafy greens, and fortified plant milks. 2. Vitamin D, helps your body absorb calcium. Get it from sunlight, egg yolks, fatty fish, or supplements. 3. Magnesium and potassium, support bone structure and reduce calcium loss, found in bananas, avocados, beans, and nuts. 4. Protein. Bones need collagen, and protein helps your body make it. Go for lean meats, legumes, and seeds. Limit soda, processed foods, and excessive salt. They weaken bones by leaching calcium. Exercises that strengthen bones. Movement is medicine, especially for bones. Here are the best forms of exercise to support bone strength. 1. Weight-bearing exercises. Walking, hiking, and dancing put healthy stress on your bones to keep them strong. 2. Resistance training. Using dumbbells, resistance bands, or your own body weight builds muscle, and stronger muscles protect bones. 3. Balance and flexibility. Tai Chi and yoga reduce your risk of falling, which is key to preventing fractures. Just 30 minutes a day of purposeful movement can make a world of difference. Section 4. Lifestyle habits for long-term bone health. It's not just what you eat or how you move. It's your entire lifestyle that affects bone health. 1. Get sunlight. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sunshine helps your body produce vitamin D naturally. 2. Avoid smoking and excess alcohol. Both are major risk factors for bone loss. 3. Stay hydrated. Water keeps the tissues surrounding your bones supple and strong. 4. Prioritize sleep. Deep rest is when your body repairs and strengthens itself, bones included. 5. Stay consistent. It's the daily effort that protects you for decades. Strong bones mean strong living, mobility, independence, and freedom well into your later years. Don't wait for a fracture to care about your bones. Start today with smart nutrition, daily movement, and healthy habits. If you learned something today, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about. Let's build a stronger world, one bone at a time. Subscribe to Health and Fitness University for more weekly wellness and longevity tips. And drop a comment. What's your favorite bone-boosting snack or exercise? Stay strong, stay healthy, stay active.